Hello guys, I'm Arash and I'm going to continue Python preparation course in HackerRank.com. Well, the next problem is arithmetic operators. We click on solve challenge and it is telling us that we are going to get two integers from the stdin a and b, and we are going to output their sum, their difference, and their multiplication. So the right hand side we can see that the program has handled the inputs already for us, so we just need to write down three outputs. We can print a plus b, we can print a minus b, and we can print a multiplied by b. And let me check if that's a minus b, not b minus a, and everything is alright. Let's submit our code. It's really straightforward, and I don't think it will have a problem, but let's wait a few seconds for its check, and it's alright. Thanks for seeing my video. I was Arash. See you next time.